Kate and Andrew, and for Rayleigh and Colin. That's from the author and the illustrator, our two dedications. Here's the dedications a little bit closer, and our title page a little bit closer. Beach Day by Karen Roosa, illustrated by Maggie Smith. Waves roar, rush and soar, rolling, crashing to the shore. Sparkling spray, jeweled array, water skiers on their way. We zoomed in on them again. Sparkling spray, jeweled array, water skiers on their way. Sandy knees, foaming seas, insects dancing in the breeze. Noonlight shimmers bright, in the distance, hot and white. Bat, ball, mitt, it's a hit. Leaping, running, lickety-split. A little closer on those pictures. Voices chatter, sand pails clatter. Off to lunch the children scatter. High clouds flurry, sand crabs scurry, hungry swimmers in a hurry. Oh, I missed the seagull the first time we saw that other page. I saw it that time. Chicken legs, deviled eggs, what a banquet, seagull begs. Seagull's back. Trying to get their food. Waves lapping, babies napping. On the water, sails are snapping. Launch a boat, help father float. Build a castle with a moat. A freckled nose, sandy toes. Ocean's salty sea breeze blows. Time to pack picnic sack. Bright beach towels in a stack. Late afternoon, supper soon, families march across the dune. Sun-warm skin, contented grin, what a happy day it's been. Beach day. And there's the beach at the end of the day. The sun is setting, and there's a lighthouse. And that's all the things that we saw in our story. Thank you for listening.